Hello everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined by Jason Minto. He is Global Vice President of Sales for CoreTigo Industrial Wireless Solutions. Jason, great to see you.
Hi, nice to meet you, Stan. Great to be with you today.
Right, so our topic today, we're going to be talking about how data can be the fuel of an industrial organization. So let's get right to it. Help us understand how data can help fuel a manufacturing operations decision-making.
Data is the core of any industrial solution. It's a starting point to get to where you need to go. If you think about, let's take an analogy. If digital transformation, as we talk about IIoT, is the overall journey which we're going on, we can think about data as the core fuel, and that's really important, because if without data you have no direction or no orientation where you're actually going to end up if you don't know how much fuel you've got. So this forms a very, very strong basis, and getting that right data, not all the data, right data in the right timing with the right frequency is key to helping manufacturers succeed here. Okay?
That's really interesting. So let's get a better understanding of how wireless, specifically, how a wireless environment can contribute to improving the overall quality of a manufacturer's data.
So today, if you take a look at the standard manufacturing facility, one of the biggest challenges across all facilities today is really there's a multitude of machines of all generations, 20, 30 years, even 40 years, which I've seen in some manufacturing facilities. And one of the biggest challenges is being able to get the right data from these machines. And the challenge is some of these machines sometimes have no network, sometimes they have old networks. And it makes it a core challenge just to be able to get access to the information. So the simplicity of bringing a wireless technology and an industrial wireless solution, which you can get real-time data and be able to connect a variety of sensors for condition monitoring across the machines, adding additional sensors for different operations, can really bring a huge value in a simple way. So you have the flexibility, the speed of deployment is fast. And we've seen this across many manufacturers today as we're working together, as you know. And this has already brought huge operational benefits to these companies without lots of time of laying cables and getting acceptances to get things moving on the shop floor.
You've touched on it, but let's dig just slightly deeper in how wireless can help make faster decisions, more accurate decisions.
So at the end, wireless, when we're looking at wireless, we're not speaking about any wireless, we're speaking about IO-Link wireless protocol. This has been designed specifically for industrial applications. It's different than if you take a look to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and so forth, which are originally coming from the IT space. IO-Link wireless is really designed to reach the performances needed for the industrial environment, taking into consideration also the reduction of impact from other systems which are running in a typical manufacturing facility. Okay.
That's great context. So we take a look at how, if data is the fuel for manufacturers, from your perspective, how do Rockwell and CoreTigo collaborate to help manufacturers optimize that opportunity?
So we work together. Give some examples today. We're working together on many applications where the customers are at a level of, yes, they can come down to the machine level, get data from the PLCs and so on and so forth. But in the cases, and there's many, where the infrastructure is not there, or there's a how do you say, the manufacturing operations owner or plant manager is afraid to even touch the PLC data. They can use this alternative solution of bringing wireless solutions, bringing this up to an edge device and an edge gateway, and then from there bringing this up to the Factory Talk Innovation Suite or Plex and so forth. And this brings a really, really complete solution for all of our combined customers, Stan.
Thanks for that, Jason.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasure to see you. Thank you for
Yeah.
joining us in the studio.
Pleasure's all mine. And I'm sure we're going to do a lot more applications together.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation and CoreTigo, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.